Okay, so what we have here is I've got the tabletop boards, and these two bottom ones here are the same width. I never know what my yield is going to be really until I start working in the shop. This top one is 10 inches, but this one here is only going to end up being about 8 inches or so. It would be nice to do a top where, you know, there's 4 boards and maybe 2 are the same width and 2 more are the same width. Just didn't work out this way, right? So what I'm going to do is I'm going to rip this 10-inch board in half, and instead of 4 boards, I'm going to end up with 5 boards on the top. But it'll be symmetrical. So I'll have a middle board that's kind of wide, around 8. I'll have 2 boards that are around a little less than 5, and then I'll have 2 wide boards on the end. And that'll look cool visually. One of the things you'll notice if you look at like Stickley furniture, you won't see that. You look at a Stickley table, and it's just a bunch of glue up of a bunch of different boards. They're all different widths. So let's go along for the journey. See if I can knock this out with you. See, I'm going to try and see if I can show you guys what this is going to end up kind of looking like. This is me, just it's like an obsessive compulsive thing, right? I mean, one of the reasons why people pay me what they pay me to build them furniture is because I'll put this sort of time into it. Most people won't do this. Most people don't think about the boards, the layout. They just look at the whole table when it's done, you know? If you use thinner pieces, theoretically, things are going to be more stable, right? Alright. So I'm at 37 3/8. I don't know what my overall width is going to be on this table. I'm thinking in the end it's going to be 36 inches or less. Probably between 34 and 36 inches. And it's going to be 5 feet long. And I'm going to do a boat shape. Like I do. Curves cost money, but I've been doing it long enough where for me I can do it pretty quick. So I'm not going to do a crazy taper though. I'm going to bring it in 1.5 inches to 2 inches on the corners here, and I'm going to round it out up there. But now I think you can understand what I did. So that pattern is going to be way more appealing to the eye. You don't know why. You won't know why it looks so good. Anyhow, that's just the sort of thing I do. I just can't help myself. I got to try to do everything the best way I possibly can, and it's design on the fly. You know, that's not what I drew. I'm letting the material talk to me. You understand what I'm saying? It sounds all hippy-dippy, but it's the truth. I don't know what my yield is going to be. I buy my material, and as I work it, it starts moving, and that kind of often dictates the overall design in the end. But you have to be able to let yourself go with that and not stress out. So I already changed the design on the base on this. It's going to be a pretty cool table. So, woodworking tips, man. For aesthetics, right? For aesthetics. Because in the end, it's always about the details. This table will never be thrown away. 300 years from now, this table will still be around. Have a good day.